Well, I was driving my car and I approached the intersection and a guy ran his red light and T-boned me. I talked to Mr. Shilaki, asked him for help and explained my case to him and all the details, and he was very attentive and very concerned. He took all my information and proceeded to handle the case from there. I was totally focused on getting better, as well as he was able to take care of the case, and I had no worries after that. As far as communication, it was great through email, via phone calls, constant updates on my case, asking how I was doing, proceeding with my therapy. I was very pleased. I'm a very active person, and I like to ride my motorcycle. I like to roller derby. I couldn't do any of that, and my physical activities just went to zero. I had to work really hard with the therapy to get back into the position to just be able to walk around the office. So once we've actually been going through all the therapy, I'm back on my motorcycle. I'm happy. I'm loving life. And thanks to Sean, I was able to get everything wrapped up and get the care that I needed. He was right on top of everything. Absolutely, I would recommend Sean and his associates. They are very professional and very caring folks.